Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Faye. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. And yes, it is Temu time. This is my first haul from Temu. And yeah, my first. Probably many more to come. Actually, I have two or three sitting right here on the bed with me anyway. But you only seen one. So anyway, I ordered from Temu and it didn't take that long to come. Maybe like a week and a half, something like that. I don't think it was 2 weeks. It may have been. Oh, wait. Oh, well. Anywho. Anyway, here's the things I purchased from Temu. Now, of course, they always have sales. And everything that I purchased was not everything. Almost everything, but one thing was over $3. Everything was the other things were $2.88, $2.34, you know, $118 something, $188 something like that. So yeah. I think the first time that someone orders from Temu, yeah, they're definitely going to order a second time. I think it's just the thing to get you hooked. Yeah. So anyway, let me get started. All right, so this. I purchased not too many things. Well, my order was I think like $49. So I'm just going to take everything out so you won't hear that bag. Sorry if the camera is shaking. All right, that's it. All right, okay, so I'm going to get started. So this is, I think this is this right here. I think about two of these. Yeah, two. This is a lip balm. I'm pretty sure it was a lip balm. Let me see, trying to see the name of this. You know, everything comes from overseas. So these are the two lip balms. Actually, I rarely use lip balms, and I just purchased these to put in giveaways. So I'm not, well, the package kind of came open right here. So I'm just going to hold it back over, and good as new. So yeah, I bought these. I think these were $188 or something like that. It's pretty. Yeah, that's pretty. It's kind of like glittery in there. That can't be lip balm, huh? I'm going to find out with my orders, because it looks like everything, not everything, but most of the things that are on here are in a foreign language, but I will have everything listed in the description box below so you can go check it out. Look how pretty that is. So that can be lip scrub or lip balm. It might be lip balm. Did I say lip balm or lip scrub? Okay, must be lip balm. Okay. So let me move on. It's obsessing about the lip balm, right? All right, so this is, I bought a nude palette. Most of these that I purchased will be for giveaways. So is this a, I thought this was a sleeve. It doesn't act like a sleeve. The covering on here is not, it's sturdy like a sleeve, but I can't push it through. So it may be taped to here or something, the reasoning why I can't push it through. Because I was trying to because I don't want to tear the box. I was trying to show you guys. Okay. So I'm taking this one off. It is wrapped. This is not sturdy at all. What am I talking about? All right, this one. It is in a sleeve, but it had the protective covering over it. And this is how that looks. It has the shade protector, which I love. I think these were $2.88. Like I said, everything but this one thing I purchased was under $3. Yeah. So I just took the wrapping off. I'm not going to use it. I am definitely putting this in a giveaway. And I think I purchased 2 of these. Wait, I purchased 1 of these, and this is the what is this? Lamange, what? Like, well, anyway, I did purchase this one. Looks like I only purchased 1 of these and 2 of these. So I'm pretty positive that I purchased 1 of these for myself. So I'm going to open the other one anyway too. So I'm going to open this one and show you guys this one. I've noticed that they have some loud packaging. I liked it online. This is how this one looks. Yeah, I purchased 1 of these for me and 1 for you guys to put in the giveaway. So there we go. This is mine, and put this one in the giveaway along with this one. All right. So what is this? I don't know. Looks like makeup too. And it's double wrapped. What is this? 15 color glitter eyeshadow. It's wrapped. I'm not going to unwrap this and then have to wrap it back up. So I'm not going to, you know, not wrap it back up, but, you know, just expose it. So I'm not going to unwrap it. You want me to unwrap it? To show you, you know, I pick pretty shadows, so eyeshadow palettes, so it should be all right. I just don't like unwrapping it, you know. Here's another palette. It came like this. It didn't have the outer wrap. So unless it's taped on the side, no, it's not, and it's not taped at the top. So I'll take this one out and show you. This is cute. The packaging is pretty. That's cute. It's so cute. So I'm putting this back. I wanted to show you guys my my giveaway tote. That's okay. So anyway, here's another thing. This has to be a palette because, yeah, I ordered a lot of palettes. And they are smaller than what they seem in when you're ordering them. This one is wrapped also. This one is more an orangey look. So I'm not sure if I don't think I want to keep opening these. I didn't think that they would be, you know, wrapped like that, and I thought I would be able to show you guys the palette shades, but doesn't look that way. Giveaway. Giveaway. I also purchased this set of lippies. You can see how pretty they are. This one came in a little bubble wrap like this. Why, I don't know. And or was that a palette? Because it looks, I have another one. This looks like a palette in here. Where are the scissors, girl? Right here. All right, let's see what this is in here. Oh, it is a palette. It's another palette. And it's wrapped. Is this the same one with this one? It is. It's the same one. I mean, so I guess the other one was in the wrapper too. In the little bubble wrap like this too. So what I'll do is, yeah, they're the same one. I guess I ordered one for, I don't know if I ordered one for me or one for a giveaway. Definitely one for a giveaway. So what I'm going to do is open this one. Since it's two of them, why it gotta be so difficult? Okay, here we go. Oh, it looks like the other one. It looks like, well, wait a minute, am I throwed? Did I open this? You just seen this one, right? I just opened it. Oh, okay. Girl, you are throwed. Because this one wasn't wrapped. It just looked like it's wrapped. It's not wrapped at all, because you just saw it. Okay. All righty. All right, Faye. All right. Okay. A lot of makeup palette. Wait, is this another one? It is. It's a little cutie. It looks like the shapes of bears. I'm going to take this out so you, it's a nice little case. Nice little sturdy plastic case. This is the palette with the little shadow shapes like bears. Little pans shaped like bears. That is super cute. That's the reason I purchased it, because they were shaped like, well, animals. I think not all animals are shaped, not all animals are shaped like this. Not just bears, I mean. Because my camera is not doing it justice, or these are all neutral palettes. All right. So that's nice. It's really nice. And it's kind of heavy too, to say it's just 6 pans. It's kind of heavy. All right. So I think the last thing, because I showed you guys the lippies. Now I'm not sure if I'm going to, I'll probably just, I'm not sure. I don't know what I'm going to do with that. But anyway, the last thing that's in this haul, this Temu haul, is this bag that I purchased. Now it came in, it was in a plastic bag first. Now this is like a little dust bag, but yeah, you know, it's like mesh. Now this was $17.99, and this is let me pieces is this? I think it's like 4-piece, 3 or 4-piece bag. So you have the adjustable straps right here. See, they're down now. You can just pull it down, pull it up on both sides and on this side. And there is a zipper part in the front right here. Or whatever. All right. So let's see what's inside. Love that new smell, right? Okay, so here is and here is one. Oh, they have a bear in here. You know what I mean? They have a little keychain. I guess this was a little extra gift. Keychain bear. I can't let the girls see that, seriously. Because they all would want it. And I can't have, you know, pick one over the other. So, that's cute. That's cute. It really is. All right. So, they have this little clutch right here. It has, it's like a little wristlet that you can just, you know, carry like this. And, okay, it's so cute. Look at that. You could just, do you guys remember these little locks like this? I haven't seen one of these in so long, where you just push it down in there and it locks. Oh, wrong one. Push it down in there and it locks. I haven't seen one of these in, oh God, I don't even remember. But, you know, you open it up and the inside, here we go. And then you close it up. And then you lock it. That's so cute. So cute. All right, that's 2 pieces. This is the 3rd piece right here. Let's see what's in there. Okay, so they have another, I guess this would be a, I don't know, like for, open it up, for credit cards or pictures in here. Nice. Very nice. I wouldn't use it, but I'll probably just put it in a giveaway. And, you know, because I'm not going to use it. I don't know, I might give it to my son. He may use it. So this is 3 pieces. That's 4. With the little card holder. And they have a chain. Where'd the chain go? I guess if you want, I don't know. I don't know. I say that because they also have a strap. So what part of the, where does the chain go? The strap, I'm pretty positive. Why am I stuttering today? Pretty positive go on the larger part, because you see the hooks right here. So, I'm trying to see. Or I guess you can wear the straps with, they have little things right here for this one too. Okay, that's a wristlet. We got that. Okay, so you can use the strap for this one also, but I'm pretty sure it's for, the chain is for this little bag right here. Just making sure they don't have anything in there. Yeah, it's nice and roomy in there. And you just put the chain on. I guess you can, what you call it? Double it. Ow. I'm putting the chain on here. Like so. It's cute. That is really cute. You can make it a crossbody. Ooh, that's cool. A crossbody bag. That's nice. I like that. I don't know. I may order some of those for my sisters. Because they're really nice. They're really nice. I love that blue. Yeah. And you probably could double it, you know, to make it like a shoulder bag. You know, make it shorter like that. Just bring it around, ring it up. Yeah. So that's nice. I like that. And I like everything I order from Temu. They are very reasonable, and you would love them too. I'm going to leave their link down in the description box below so you can go check them out. And like I said, this is my #1. You will be seeing #2 pretty soon. So and I want to thank you guys for just sitting and enjoying what I had to show you. Let me know down in the description box below. I mean in the comment section, what you think about everything, especially the bag. The bag is really nice. You know, it's not Shaneill or Gucci or, you know, anything like that, but it's really nice. It really is. I'm going to see if they have a black. I'm going to change purses. Yes, I am, because I'm going to be using this. So, yeah, I really like it. Did you see the patterns in there? It's really nice. I like it. So anyway, thank you guys so very, very much. I hope all of you are well, safe and healthy. I really do. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell so you can be notified. Yeah, I love you guys so much. I hope all of you have a wonderfully blessed day living this best life. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.